Hey everybody, thanks for being here. Today I want to talk through the process and content schedule that has got me to 43,000 followers in a little under 2 years on X or Twitter, whatever you want to be calling it, okay? I'm Mike Scully and let's dive right in. Now, Monday. Let's talk about this, okay? Because most people are like, when they come to the start of the week, they're, what do I post? I don't know what to post. I'm scared. People will judge me. Different things like that. I don't know what I'm talking about. What skill can I talk about? I haven't a clue. And you just get overwhelmed and over-consumed inside your own head. And you start tearing yourself apart like this. And then you do nothing. And then you just stop, okay? So that's literally the way most people operate, okay? Now, Monday, I want you to hit 4 value tweets right here, okay? 4 value tweets. Now, how do you do that? With value, it's literally giving it away. Give away everything you know. You might say, Mike, I don't really know much. Well, in that case, if you want to start freelancing, you need to pick a skill. For me, I picked landing pages. Let me show you an example of a student of mine who has done the exact same thing here. It's Osh. He's gone to 17,000 followers in a little over a year, okay, and makes 25k plus per month from this. Now, with that, to post these value tweets, bring up ChatGPT. Make life easy for yourself. There's no need to overcomplicate it. Now, I'm going to use that skill set, landing pages, and give me 5 landing page tips that I can tweet. Right? So think about this. We have to post 4 value tweets. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to give me 5. So now I have a little bit of choice. I could tell it to give me 10. I have choice. Okay. Optimize for mobile. Perfect. Add social proof. Great. Strong, clear headlines. Perfect. We can tweet about all this. Now, I will say I would expand slightly on these, and I would get rid of the hashtags. So expand slightly on each tweet and get rid of hash tags. Okay, these are much better. These are perfect tweets, right? So this is fantastic. That's your 4 value tweets done. And you can take one of these and tell me, write a thread, write a long form post, things like that. Client results and social proof is going to be a very interesting one. It's going to be difficult in the beginning because you don't have clients, you haven't a clue what to do. Now, if you've had clients, take testimonials, get testimonials from them, document the process of you working with them, and actually talk about it, write a long form thread about it, record a video about the process of you working with them. I've actually just done this a while ago for a client of mine. So that's that. Now, what do you do if you don't have any of this? You don't have social proof, you don't have clients. Start reaching out to people and asking them, can you work for free in exchange for a testimonial? That's it. It's really straightforward from there. And after you do that 10, 20, 30, 40 people, you get a couple of people to say yes. You provide that them with results. There you go. And you learn while you're on the job, and you ask them for a testimonial after then once they're happy. And then you can better your skill set. You're creating more content for yourself, and you're getting testimonials that can be put out there then to get more clients and more paid clients, because now you've built up trust and credibility. So that is the point of this. Monday is a heavy day, okay? Next up is ask a question on a Monday. This can be really easy. I'm a freelancer. You want to use ChatGPT as much as possible. And I want to ask my audience a question. Give me ideas. I ask questions quite often. It keeps people really engaged. Okay, look at this. Perfect. 5. That's the next 5 weeks of your Monday question sorted. Just like that. It's very, very straightforward. Now, then 3 value tweets. Remember, we did that a while ago. 1 thread. So what I'm going to do here is go for the landing page tips, and I'll take optimize for mobile. Write me a long form Twitter thread on how to optimize landing pages for mobile and why it's a positive thing to do. Like, my grammar doesn't even need to be great. And look at this. I'll tell it to get rid of hashtags so I can copy and paste it into Twitter, but this is exactly what you want. This is super easy to do. Let it do its thing. You've just written a thread. Now, one personality tweet. Look at this, it's still going. Still going. It's insane. And look how competent you look and how much you'll learn when you're copy and pasting this and you're reading through it. Make sure it sounds like a human. Make sure it doesn't sound like a bot. It's going to be absurd. Okay. Next up is one personality tweet. That can be something super personal. Again, look at Osh. Let's scroll down here. Personality tweet. Clean air, green spaces, nature is my new office. That's just him. It's him showcasing himself, being himself. To me, this is an absolutely fantastic thing to do. It creates great engagement. It connects you with your audience. I do it myself, right? Look at this. It's blessed to have this life, all down to taking the leap with freelancing, living the dream. Okay, that's all you need to do with that. Super, super straightforward. Back to here. 3 value tweets. We've gone over that. 1 personality tweet. Ask a question and an auto DM giveaway. So the one thing we haven't gone over yet here is the auto DM giveaway. And let me show you a fantastic example. I can actually use Osh again for the example. This is what an auto DM tweet looks like. Basically, you create a file. He created an entire AI framework. He reveals inside how to use AI prompts, how to use the tools and processes, his secret sauce. To get this, you need to like this post, comment the fire emoji, and he'll DM you it for free. But you must be following him, or he can't DM you. He got 1,300 comments from this. Think of the traffic that came through his DMs. Now you're going to use a tool for this. You can use Typefully as a fantastic tool to use. Hypefury is another tool. You can create auto DM campaigns. So when someone comments your specified word or emoji, whatever it may be, I recommend to use Word. Like Word, you could be AI here. They'll automatically get a DM with the file, with that document. Okay, Twitter has its limits of 500 a day, but it'll send to 500 people per day, which is just insane. It's crazy to be able to do that, but that is what an auto DM looks like. And he'll pitch people inside that. It's a perfect opportunity to get leads, get people on booked calls, and actually get deals closed. From there, 3 value tweets on a Thursday, large informational thread ending with a book a call. A large thread is literally what I showed you here. Okay, again, informational. At the end of it, tell people, I want you to book a call below here if you want help from me and if you want me to optimize or do this for you and provide the service for you. Hands off, book a call below. It's a free call. All you get is value. It's as easy as that. 4 value tweets on a Friday, 1 random tweet, lifestyle, random topic, etc. Showcase your personality when you're talking. Like, be yourself, genuinely, and ask your audience a question. Here, we're repeating. Okay, Saturday, 2 value tweets, 1 thread, ask your audience a question, lifestyle post. Sunday, post, random tips, ask your audience a question. Post whatever you want on a Sunday. It's a little bit more irrelevant to the rest of the days. However, it is an opportunity where people can be on their phone, not really creating content and just scrolling, and you have an opportunity to take advantage of. So I hope this video helps you a lot. If it has, please subscribe, like the video, and comment below if you have any questions. If you want to work with me one-on-one and actually go through this whole process that I've done myself, that I've done with people like Osh, Brilliance, there's loads of people. I've helped over 100 people achieve success and get out of their 9-to-5s and achieve success in freelancing. There's a link below. Click that, have a look. There's no obligation, and that'll help you out. Okay, we'll talk soon. Take care.